In this video tutorial we will show you how to permanently disable or deactivate the start-stop system on Volkswagen Passat B7, Tiguan, Golf 7, 2011 to 2015, using the VCDS or VAGCOM diagnose tool. We are in a Volkswagen Passat from 2013 and will deactivate the start-stop system. You can find the VCDS diagnostic tool in the video description below. 1. Connect the VCDS cable to the car's diagnostic socket. Two. Connect the other end to a USB port on your laptop. 3. Open the VCDS software and follow the next steps. Select Control Module. CAN Gateway. This setting is only valid for Volkswagen, Skoda, Audi and C car models that have the VAG number starting with 7 and 0. Long Adaptation 0A. Here we select channel 13 by pressing read, and in the new value we replace the first digit 0 with the letter D. Then we give it test and save. Then exit. Done, go back. Close controller, go back 06. Go back and exit. Let's make a test and see if the start-stop is deactivated when we stop the car for a moment. So, we have the start-stop system icon on display when we stop the car, but the engine does not stop. It worked! If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.